Hi to all. Now let us look at how we create the questions into question bank before creating the quiz. First click on turn editing on. In this click on this, go to more. Here we find question bank. Click on this and first of all create the categories. Because in our question paper we have three different sections. Section A comprising of MCQs, section B short answers, and section 3 essay questions. So create categories before we import the questions. Here already I created these three categories. How do we create them? So here by default we have our course name. Here you put section A and MCQs and you add category. Click on add category. In the same way section B again and section C, and like that you have to create the categories first. Then go to import after creating the categories. Your first category was creating the MCQs. So click on icon format and we know we need to upload the file. Choose the file and then import it. In the same way again go to second category, which is short answers, and that is in GIF gift format. Also essay questions it is in the gift format. Again click on import and we have here gift format. Click on that and choose the file and import it. Once we created this, now we need to go to our course page. Here the editing on is there. Now wherever you want to create the quiz or the question paper, go to add an activity. Once you go to add an activity, you will see here the quiz. So click on this, you will get here. Since already I created, I will show by editing it once again. Here write the name of the assessment, that whatever you are going to give, and give the instructions to the students when they need to complete it and how many marks, duration, etc. And if you expand this, you will give all these details, that is timings, time limit, and grades. All that is given here clearly. And when they have done well, you can give the feedback. When they don't do well also, you can give the feedback. Then save and display. Yes. Now we need to create the quiz, for which again, since I already created here, it is showing preview quiz now. But in order to create the quiz, we need to go to our question bank. Here, now as I created already, I will go to edit quiz and Here you have you can create the quiz. So from the MCQs, I have chosen these. I have clicked these MCQs. First, I created the sections under section A, section 1. I created MCQs, and section 2 short answers, and section 3 long answers. And also, I edited the marks that are going to be allotted. So you can click on shuffle in order to each student to get a different question paper. And total marks is equal 30. Then save and return to the course. So here, if you want to add, you can add a new question or from question bank, or you can also take a random question. You can, once you completed taking the questions from question bank or adding new questions, you can save and you can return to the course. So that way we create quiz, and once you come back, so your instructions are here, and when you click on this, you have the instructions, and you can look at the preview, and here you find the questions. Since we created the 3 sections, the first section is here. You can see section 1 is MCQs, all the 10 MCQs you see here, and next page is short answer questions. Section 2 short answer questions you see here, and this next page is the long answers, that is essays, 2 essays. So then finish that way. We need to create the quiz of the question paper. Thank you.